My super big fear is toilets. Toilets at some point are gonna pitch a fit. What is the biggest challenge you have at the resort that the dive people, they don't have to deal with?
Probably like plumbing issues.
Would you rather fix a hotel toilet
Yes.
or a boat toilet?
You don't even have to finish. Yes, I'm 100% hotel toilet over the head. Yes.
Why? A resort toilet or a boat toilet?
I don't know. I probably know how to fix this one, but I'd rather be on the boat.
Have you had to fix a boat toilet?
Yeah.